Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. In this video, I'm going to give you the front brake torque specifications for a Lexus ES350 for the 2013 to 2018 year models. Make sure to hit that like button right now. Comment below if this video does help you out as well with the year, make, and model of vehicle that it did help you on. And you might be wondering where I get my brake torque specifications from. And let me show you real quick. This here is the Motor Guidebook Brake Specifications Guide. Gives me a ton of helpful information that I use to do my brake jobs, and then I pass that information along to you guys. Torque specs are important while performing a BJ on a vehicle. It ensures that everything is tightened up properly, not too tight nor too loose. If too loose, the bolts can come undone, causing parts to shift. This can mean wobbly brakes, uneven pad wear, and also, worst case scenario, the brakes to just completely fail while you're going down the road. Too tight, you risk damaging parts, stripping the threads out, and also causing warpage on brake parts such as the rotors, which will also cause, in the long run, vibration and poor braking performance. Following proper brake torque specifications ensures proper functionality, everything lasts as long as it could, and you ensure that there is no problems down the road while you are driving. Now, what you guys are waiting for? Your brake caliper bracket to knuckle bolts. These bolts are going to be tightened down to 77 foot-pounds. I use a 1/2-inch torque wrench to tighten these down. I like the clicking torque wrenches, just my preference, but if you have a digital torque wrench, obviously it gets the job done. 77 foot-pounds for your caliper bracket to knuckle bolts. Next, after you get that caliper loaded onto the bracket over the pads and everything, you're going to tighten these bolts down to 25 foot-pounds. So the caliper to bracket bolts, again, 25 foot-pounds. These are very fine threads and a small bolt, so this one's easy to strip out and break if you over tighten. And you also might need to use a open-end wrench or a crescent wrench or something as such to hold the slider pin from spinning while you are tightening these bolts down. Last but not least, and equally important, is the lug nuts. You want to make sure that the lug nuts are properly tightened down as well. On this vehicle, 76 foot-pounds is the proper torque specification on the lug nuts. And also, when you're tightening these down, you want to tighten them up in a star pattern so that you make sure that the wheel sits flush onto the hub and the rotor in a nice, flat fashion. So you go in a star pattern, and it just ensures that the wheel is tightened up properly and you don't get any vibrations, and you ensure just proper brake functionality down the road. Now, if this video helped you out, comment below with the year, make, and model of the vehicle that it did help you on. Hit that like button if you haven't done so yet. Subscribe for other helpful videos on DIY automotive maintenance. And please tell everybody about Scotty's Hobbies. I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.